Hey, Charlie, that cat making stormy weather come in there and say, good job. Hey, Charlie, that cat making stormy weather walked up there that time. I couldn't tell if you was keyed or not and said, tell that cat making Charlie, he said, good job. That's what he said. Charlie, Stormy, 6 in the lakes. Your buzz at Northwest Corner, and I'm right back.
I'm maybe on the west side. I might be off a little frequency. Put on your ear, brother. 766 back to my radio. Brother Charlie, good day.
Isn't that all right, Charlie? No doubt about it. All right then, man. That cat can sit down on top of you, man. He better be in your radio, because I know he'd be a little embarrassed if I was doing what I was doing with this small station. Sure would. Hello to you once again, Charlie, 6. And my partner down there, Stormy Weather. You're buzzing up around Oregon with this small station, and our bank left.
Yeah, he told me Stormy Weather, man. He told me Stormy Weather. Me and Stormy about 8 miles apart. Put on your later, brother. I'm heading home through the sweet thing, holler.
And that Orion, no doubt about it, Charlie. And I think 6 got the 5, man. Hey, Charlie, I think 6 got that cat making 5. You said job well done, but not while you on the key. Hey, Charlie, your buzz at Northwest Corner and our bank.
Hey, brother, you tell Charlie I got the 5. All by yourself. All by yourself. Hey, brother, I know what you did.
Hey, Charlie, you know he's not coming my way, man, as long as you got that hammer down on him this way. You know he got to go that way, man. That's how the game is played. Charlie, you got to play the game the way the game is played. You know Stormy ain't coming my way when I told him that you had my Death Sugar Radio. Hey, Charlie, go do what you got to do. And 6 said he got the 5. Hey, Charlie Wilson, your buzz at Northwest Corner and our bank. Now they can't be 766 calling my name. That Duck Sugar 766 down there calling my name. I can hear that big mouth cat making no doubt about it. All right, Charlie, let me get on out of here. Charlie, buzz at bank.
I want to brother. Hey, brother. Hey, brother, there's a fight going on. Hey, brother, there's a fight going on. Hey, brother, there's a fight going on. Hey, brother, there's a fight going on.
Stormy, I don't know what you did that time. You said it was a fight going on. Well, I was trying to talk to 6, and I was trying to get out of y'all way. But that Duck Sucker Charlie Wilson came my Duck Sucker way. But Stormy, you said it was a fight going on, and 766 was judging the fight. No doubt about it. Hello to you, Stormy. Stormy, your buzz in Northwest Corner and our bank.
Real good talking. Hey, brother, I know, you're a big man. You understand? You know what was going on. Hey, brother, you know what was going on.
And that Orion Stormy, and that Orion Stormy, and that Orion Stormy, no doubt about it. The fight was going on, man, going to 766, but you was doing your cat making thing going to 766, and that cat making Charlie was coming to me, so that's how Mother Nature is. Stormy Weather, your buzzing. Stormy Weather, your buzz in Northwest Corner and our bank.
9311 on CFP. Sorry, brother, what do you mean? Brother, look at me now, Stormy. Look at me. Y'all gotta have it down in Oklahoma. Stormy Weather's in the hot chair. Stormy Weather bred big mobile squirrel.
And no doubt about it, Stormy, you got that cat making hammer down now. I don't know what happened to Charlie. Hey, Stormy, I don't know what happened to Charlie, but you got that cat making maul down coming in the Northwest Corner, sure do. Take care, Stormy Weather. Stormy Weather, your buzz it up around who said? I can't key on your ass, County, Oregon, Stormy Weather. Good day.
Hey, big boss, you back there out of here? Hey, brother, I heard you in your bank. Stormy Weather said the dominoes fell like I told my dog.
And that's a riot, Stormy. That cat making Charlie walked up in there that time, Stormy. Hey, Stormy, that cat making Charlie walked up in there for a few seconds that time. I got to tell her like a TI is because it's on this cat making gate. So Charlie, Stormy, Charlie, and 6. Yo buzz at Northwest Cone and I bank.
I'm gonna leave him alone now. I'm gonna leave him alone now. This is not a fight. This is just like me. But Stormy will be Mobile last kids too.
No doubt about it. That Duck Sugar Charlie say he gonna leave it alone. Charlie say he gonna leave it alone. And at the same time, I heard you say, Stormy, my last key. At the same time, I can hear both of you cat niggas. No doubt about it. Don't take nothing from neither one of you. There is no roadkill. Hey, Stormy Weather, there is no roadkill, cat niggas, because both of you cat niggas were doing what you had to do. Stormy Weather, Charlie, your buzz at Northwest Corner. And this my last key, too. Stormy, Charlie, Stormy, your buzz at Northwest Corner, and I bank.
Stormy Weather, Big Mobile, gonna back it out for you. Hey, Buzzard, Stormy Weather, back it out for you. Stormy Weather, Mobile, Stormy Weather, clear.
Hey, 6, you didn't want to get mixed up in that. Hey, 6, now don't y'all key on 6. I want to see what that Kevin got to say. 6, you did not want to get in there with them two badass mobiles out of Oklahoma. 6, your buzz at Northwest Cone and I bang.
Hey, Buzzard.
That cat make a bloodstone keyed on you now, 6. I gotta go, man. Hey, 6, I gotta go. That cat make a bloodstone keyed up in the night when I told nobody else don't key, and he gonna start calling some Duck Sugar down around Southern Oregon. Let me get on out of here, 6. 6, me and this 8877. You wouldn't believe what it is. 6, me and this modified 45 20-foot stretch 4-element. Modified 45 2980 and an 8877 made by Copycat out of Carolinas. 6, look at me go.
Have a real good day. Stormy's on the mall. Stormy's on the mall. 766. Have a good day. Bye, bye, bye. Field is clear.
As I end this gate, yo buzz it up around the Northwest Corner. Yo buzz it up around who said I can't key on your ass, County, Oregon, and I bank left.